back, everybody. Today I'm going to continue on this front axle. It's a little chilly and rainy out here, so we're going to try to get a little cutting and welding done today. Going to turn the camera here and show you what I got set up and get to it. Thanks for stopping by. Alright, this is what we got today. I got the drag link bolted on here. I got a piece of angle iron holding that so I can keep my angles. We're going to cut across both sides here, flip it over, put it down on the bottom side, weld it in place, and then we got to get this one cut off and do the same thing with it, get it welded down on the bottom. So that's the gist of everything. So let's get to it. I'm going to try my new little Harbor Freight cutoff wheel here, tool wheel here. Only used a little bit the other day. We're going to see how it goes, and we're going to make some noise. So if you're wearing headphones, a little bit of a noise alert there. Let's do it. Alright. Sheet metal, this thing might be excellent. A little thinner metal might be excellent. But on this 1/4 inch thick stuff, in my opinion, it's just taking way too long. Not that I'm really in a really big hurry or anything, but I want to get it done. So I'm going to shut the camera off, finish cutting this one off. I'll cut that one off, and we'll bring you back when we're ready to do some tack welding and stuff. Both cut off. Got them both temporarily jigged up here. Guess you can't see the one side. There we go. Well, you can see this side here. Got it kind of clamped in place. I'm going to tack weld them, make sure they're sitting level with the bottom of the spindle bracket there, and we'll weld them up solid and get them on there. All right. All right. I got this all welded up here. Got the arms flipped around and turned around. Like I said, we got it all welded up in here. I just got to wait for it to cool a little bit. I can take it apart, weld the bottom sides here, and I think that's going to call it for this project. I'll bring you back whenever I get done welding the back sides of them, letting it cool down, and getting ready to put it onto the tractor itself. Thanks for stopping by again today. Appreciate y'all hitting the like button and leaving good comments and stuff. I think this will be the end of this project here on making this axle. So I'll bring you back whenever we go ahead and mount it on the tractor and get all the linkages and everything all hooked up. And then we'll move on to the next project. Like I said, thanks for stopping by, and you know what to do with the little buttons. Let's do it. Have a good one. Bye.